Unlock the hero within you, one code line at a time. Ever since I discovered Empower Your Income with Code4Yo, my coding skills soared and my career transformed. Experience this personal growth yourself and see how empowering it is. Unlock the hero within you, one code line at a time. Ever since I discovered Empower Your Income with Code4Yo, my coding skills soared and my career transformed. Experience this personal growth yourself and see how empowering it is. Unlock the
videos you want us to make here. But that's it for me. Happy streaming, and we'll see you in the next video.
What if we took it a step further, though? You know, what about all the people out there who want to build software but cannot write code? Like my comm staffers down here, my parents watching at home, my friends who are not in tech, who still think coding looks like hieroglyphics. Well, today I got one more advancement to show you. An advancement that fundamentally blurs the line between a developer and the everyday person. Introducing GitHub Spark. GitHub Spark is an AI-native tool to build applications entirely in natural language. Now, any person, no matter their experience, can create and share an application in a matter of minutes. Why don't we do another live demo?
You look at everything from a hacker's point of view, so I think it's fantastic to have you on the show to show us, how do I know if I've been hacked, or how do I know if I've got malware in my computer? Because you're a hacker, so it's great to get your perspective, to help us better protect ourselves.
David, I'm always happy to help.
Maybe it's just a duck.
As a hacker, I know
and so here's my prompt: create a tic-tac-toe game with ducks and
take
hippos.
Control of a system, and I want to help people to
understand. And now what happens is that the model behind the scenes does all the work for me. Now you have seen demos where you can do that in chat, and you have to figure out which code goes into which file. You have to copy and paste that. You have to try to figure out how to terminal run the thing on the terminal. Here it just does it all for us, streaming in digital.
I really appreciate it,
as you can see on the
OTW. You've shared so much knowledge over the years with our audience, and just for everyone who doesn't know, OTW, he's the author of this book, Linux Basics for Hackers, very, very popular book on Amazon. He's also the author of Getting Started, Becoming a Master Hacker, as well as I always say, one of my favorites, Network Basics for Hackers. OTW, I'm really looking forward to this interview. You're a hacker. You have hacked all kinds of things. You've told me stuff we can't show on YouTube. We share some of it. I believe today you're going to tell people and answer this question: how do I know if I've been hacked?
Exactly. I want email probably at least one a day, every day. People say,
scale of my game, let's see, a little bit bigger is cool.
I've been hacked.
I can change the accent color. I can make all kinds of changes really quickly to the UI. I can click into my settings and add custom instructions similar to what Cassidy did earlier in VS Code.
And maybe in a later
data
video we can talk about what to do about it. But let's first try to determine whether or not you've been hacked. And oftentimes people will make some assumptions that they've been hacked. And really there's something just not working right in their computer. So, and sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between a malfunctioning computer or a malfunctioning user.
But the cool thing, it actually works. I can open the camera here.
But what I've learned is that in most cases, probably over 90% of cases, they are not hacked. It's something with the system.
I scan my badge,
so let's talk about indications
photo, my name, my handle, and so on.
Okay.
And,
I think it's important because I think we both get this thing often where people say the government's hacked me, and they come up with this like long, told story, right?
This is one of the examples of a personal application
of like this unbelievable hack, and it's like, firstly, I don't think you're a target, and secondly, this is a bit outrageous. But I mean, I'll leave it to you. How how do I actually know if I've been hacked?
One of the things that we do is that in some of those cases, we actually take them on as cases to examine whether that they've been hacked. So that's something that we, as a service that we offer.
And what I really wanted to show you with this demo is the floodgates of Nerditude have swung wide open.
There is nothing there. And so before you call us or anybody to determine whether or not you've been hacked, which of course is going to cost you something, you can do some basic things yourself to determine whether or not you've been hacked.
The primary language of coding wasn't your first language.
But I'll tell you that over 90% of the cases that we actually get involved in, there's nothing there. It's just a malfunctioning user, a malfunctioning system.
You could take that first step.
But sometimes it's hard to distinguish the difference between them. But as you said, we get a lot of these people who say, the government, I get a lot of them. Okay, I can't say it for you, but I get a lot of them who say that somebody, usually it's the government, has hacked everything. In my life, they have hacked my car, my house, my phone, my computer, my passport.
One day soon,
I've heard that one too.
All of you, we will finally break that barrier and rip it right to the ground.
Usually, when somebody comes to me and says everything has been hacked, I usually say this is not probably real.
More than ever
if you're saying
that
my phone's been hacked or my computer's been hacked, and there's some indication, then there's a possibility that it's real. But if you say everything has been hacked, that's probably your imagination.
Now, cars have changed our lives over the years, and cars are changing again. In this case study from Brilliant, maximizing electric car value, we learn how to
making it real. Thank you for tuning in and for being here. We have a lot more content and a lot of announcements both today and tomorrow. So please enjoy the 10th annual GitHub Universe. See you all soon.
build regression models and use correlation and regression to dive into data on electric vehicles to discover what a buyer gets for their money. Now, what's fantastic about Brilliant, and I really like this, is their training is very interactive and very hands-on. The training starts off very gently and goes deeper and deeper so that you can build regression models to learn how to work with data. Brilliant is a learning platform designed to be uniquely effective. Their first principles approach helps you build understanding from the ground up. Each lesson is filled with hands-on problem solving that lets you play with concepts, a method proven to be 6 times more effective than watching lecture videos. All content on Brilliant is crafted by an award-winning team of teachers, researchers, and professionals from MIT, Caltech, Duke, Microsoft, Google, and others. Brilliant helps you build your critical thinking skills through problem solving. So while you're building real knowledge on specific topics, you are also becoming a better thinker. I probably don't have to say this. Learning a little every day is one of the most important things that you can do, both for personal as well as professional growth. Brilliant helps you build real knowledge in only a few minutes a day with fun lessons that you can do whenever you have time. It's also the opposite of mindless scrolling. In this case, they're using case studies, maximizing electric car value to teach you a concept. So rather than just some concept that's difficult to grasp, this shows you through interactive training how things actually work. Brilliant are a great way to pick up these skills and help you change your life. Brilliant cover a whole bunch of topics. David loves this because he's more a computer science person or data science person. So they have over 70 courses. My favorites include topics like how LLMs work and the Python courses. I really want to thank Brilliant for supporting me and sponsoring my channel, which allows me to create more free content and hopefully help you change your life. If you want to try everything that Brilliant has to offer for free for 30 days, go to brilliant.org/David Bombal or scan the QR code on screen, or you can click the link in the video description. You'll also get 20% off an annual premium subscription if you use my link below. Again, I really want to thank Brilliant for being such a fantastic partner.
So let's talk about the indications that you've been hacked. And then we'll look at some very specific techniques that you can use to determine for certain
to a fair number of moments.
Sometimes it's still a little bit harder, but let's talk about some of the simple ones.
Like every good software
Let's examine it from a simple to an intermediate level. We're not going to go into advanced.
At the last minute.
We'll talk about some of the simple things that the average user can look for, and maybe with a little bit of sophistication. It might just be some kid I felt like having superpower that wasn't used. So Number 6, unexpected contacts or redirects. So this is where things will pop up in your browser, or you'll have new tabs on your browser directing you to other sites. This is often used as a technique to be able to take your browser to a website that has malware in it. So you didn't actually direct your browser to that website because your browser hopefully you can go there on your own. But your browser might take you there because somebody has been able to hack
new features to the mass. And this growth in users and contribution
another site. And then from that site,
it was actually
install malware, to be honest. So if you see this is another good sign. Most of the browsers, modern browsers, are trying to protect you from this. You'll see messages that say block a pop-up or redirect. If you're using some of the older browsers, you might not, but still, even if you're using a modern browser, a sophisticated attacker can still
I'm a big fan of showing things off, so I figured we could start by showing you a little bit about how home assistant works. Let's start with hello world home assistant.
What if the average person can simply go to have I been on? Let's see if I can put that up on the screen here. Yep. Have I been on? And what they do is they simply collect all of the emails and password combinations that have been dumped on the web, and they put them into a big database. Okay, looks like here.